Hi, I'm Matt with Lidlox, and today we're going to install a Lidlox grip tip helmet lock on a Victory Vision. So the first thing you do is take off your stock bar end weights using a T25 Torx. And these are Loctited from the factory and they're fairly snug, so it takes a bit of torque to break that loose. Don't be afraid of it. So that's just a 6mm screw that goes into the end of the handlebar. Now take your Lidlox helmet lock body and the thick spacer and the 6mm socket head that comes in your kit. Put that down through there like that. Now take your 5mm Allen and use a little bit of low strength or blue Loctite on that 6mm, just a drop, and don't use the red high strength stuff. Now just as you snug it down, make sure the slot is pointed down towards the ground, just like that. Go ahead and snug that down, double check your throttle clearance and that it's not rubbing on the throttle. Now take your lock core, thread it into the end, turn it in as far as you can by hand. Then using your key as a tool, there's a little ridge on the key. Just insert that partially just till it catches that slot in the end of the lock core. And just use that key again as a tool. Turn that down just till it snugs down. Don't put any extra torque on that. The keys don't like a lot of torque. Then take your supplied 2mm Allen that comes in your kit and snug that set screw down just like that. And your lock is installed. Now to use it, take your helmet extender, and on this type of helmet you just put it through the D-rings. On the clasp helmet it slides up through the clasp, and you put that up in the slot, push the pin in, make sure it's caught, and there you go, you're locked up to the bike. So to release it, make sure you grab your helmet, of course, put the key in, turn it, pop the pin, and there you go. So the left side installs just like that one on the other side, and the pair are keyed alike and come with 4 matching keys and 2 helmet extenders. And the single comes with 2 matching keys. Now these come in either chrome or black, and that's it. Check out our website, www.lidlox.com, Lidlox, and thanks for watching.